So in this video, I'd like to show you how a project manager can keep track of what's happening on the translator side, namely the progress, how far the translator is in his translation of the file that you have assigned to him. So to demonstrate this, let's create a new project. Okay, so my project is set up. So far it is a standard project, but now I want to do the PM version. So let's click on advanced. Okay, so now it is in preparation. So let's save. So here I have quickly set up a linguist to be able to work on that project. Okay, so I can save what I've done. And now I have a linguist in my list. So now let's add a file. Okay, so here we now have a file to work on. So let's assign a translator to it. Okay, so now we have all the ingredients. So if you want to see how to create a project, you can check my other video, but basically here I've created a project to translate in English to French. There's only one task, which is translation, and I have assigned a translator to it. The project at the moment is in preparation, that's why it's in blue. Let's now change the project status so that the translator can start working on it. So now the project is in progress, okay? So notifications have been sent and my translator should be able now to see the project. So at the moment we are starting, so we see here that the progress is 0. Now on the translator side, we see that here a file has been assigned to the translator, this one here. So let's open it. And we will translate 1 or 2 segments just to see what's happening. Okay, so let's start on segment 1. I'll just machine translate it just for the purpose of demonstrating that. Okay, so I have done half the file. All right, so now my project manager wants to know where I'm at working on that file. So let's go into the project manager's dashboard. First thing first, we need to refresh the page. And as you can see here, the project has been updated. So my translator has done 50% of the translation. And now if I want to see what has actually been done, I can open the file and I can see exactly what the translator has done, which is great. So that's a great way to follow up what is happening. So I hope you found this video useful. If you want to learn how to set up projects in WordFast Anywhere, you can check my full tutorial, which was done on the previous version of WordFast Anywhere, but it's all still relevant. Talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.